So welcome to Shahi Exports, India's largest apparel manufacturer, catering to all major retail brands across the globe. Founded in 1974 with just 2 sewing machines, Shahi Exports has grown into a textile powerhouse with over 50 plus factories across 8 states in India, empowering the livelihoods of 100,000 people. At Shimoga, where operations began in 2012, our backward integration in fabric manufacturing ensures complete control over quality and efficiency. From spinning to knitting, dyeing to finishing, every step happens under one roof. So for the past 14 years, we have partnered with LMW Limited for the complete spinning solutions from Blowroom to ring frame.
We manufacture the count ranges from 10s to 60s as per our garmenting needs. We being one of the fabric suppliers to our garmenting units, our product reaches the top leading brands across the globe. The quality requirements, expectations are also on the very high side. We have our own maintenance activities, even though the machineries are some 13-14 years old. The timely replacement of the spare parts is the vital one.
LMW has been closely engaged with us from the very beginning, providing unmatched after-sales, spare parts and service support. Recently, we upgraded all 40 ring frames with low decibel HLLD spindles and replaced all technological components, ensuring high productivity, uniform yarn quality and seamless Industry 4.0 integration.
With this change of these technological components, we were able to achieve around 5 to 10% in terms of both productivity as well as quality.
Sustainability is at the heart of our operations. Our Shimoga unit runs 100% renewable energy, powered by a 134 megawatt solar power plant. We proudly operate with 100% biofuel, a cleaner alternative to coal, and we recycle 95% of our water. Every fabric we produce carries this commitment to a greener future. Together with trusted partners like LMW, we are knitting success with responsibility and shaping a future where fashion and sustainability goes hand in hand. Thank you.